In Kimi, what you can do is easily generate out table data. Let's say, for example, I can see something like give me a list of 10 fruits right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say give me a list of 10 fruits right here, just like this. And their prices in Australia. Let's say, for example, right here, Australia, just like this. And then if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll actually take some source right here, and then we'll search for the content and will give me the list right here for the price. And you can see that it generates it out in table data format right here, just like this. So now similarly, you want to go ahead and then create more better table data, then you can say in the table data add in SN, and let's say, for example, total quantity should be 2 kgs each, and add 15% discount to all right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and tell it what to do, then you can see that I can simply go ahead and tell it to update it out, and then you can see that this is what you have. It updated the table data right here, just like this, with this said information. And this is simply how you can easily create out table data as you need, just like this. Let me just go ahead and stop this and create out a new chat. And over here, let's say, for example, I'm going to say list 10 random names right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll list 10 random names. So now what I can simply do, simply tell it to do is, let's say, for example, say now keep these names in a table right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, then what happens is that you can see that everything is arranged in table. And now you can say add a column last name and add random last names right here, just like this as well. And then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and add in a column name right here, and then we'll add in last name as well. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out table data inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.